You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly the name of the South Korean singer, songwriter, rapper and model. If you want to learn more names from K-pop music celebrities that are very often confusing, make sure to stay tuned. So in Korean, her first name is Kim, and that's pronounced rather similarly in Korean, Kim Hyun-ah. So it's not Hyuna, Hyun-ah, Hyun-ah, or Kim Hyun-ah. That's your Korean pronunciation. Therefore, in English, you can pronounce it the same pronunciation, Hyun-ah. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.